Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, let me introduce myself. I am Kaji Amit Hassan, currently completing my undergraduation in RUET. Well, that's a quick introduction. Now let's start the video. Well, in this video, we are going to learn how to write a research paper in overleaf using LaTeX. Well, to be more specific, this video is divided into 4 sections. First, the prerequisites, then the steps for writing, and then the tips for writing, and last but not the least, some recommendations or good suggestions. So let's get started. First, the prerequisites means what we need to know before writing a research paper. So first we need to know about the LaTeX, the basic commands of LaTeX. Well, you can know Microsoft Word well to write your research paper, but in this video, we are going to focus on LaTeX. So let's see what is LaTeX. So the Google says that quality and aesthetics. Simply, documents produced using LaTeX just look better. This means that LaTeX can create everything from business cards to books to presentations, etc. So, kind of LaTeX is a language type by which you can make your presentations or slides or research paper, etc. Okay, so let's get back to our slide. Well, next, the steps. First, you have to look at the author's guideline in your specific conference or journal's website. You may find that the default format of the paper, for a example, I'm going to show you. If I write here that this is a conference IJCACI 2020, which is going to be held in Bangladesh. If you go in author guidelines, then you will find some guidelines. If you look at here, then it says that papers must be formatted using the Springer's author kit. Details, instruction or templates are available here. Let's click here. It will redirect in a link. Let's see what it says. So it says the information for authors for Springer, computer science and proceedings. If you scroll down, then you can see that LaTeX 2E proceedings template. So you have to click here and download this. So let's click it. We have to wait some moment for bad internet connection. Sorry for that. Well, let's download this zip file. Okay. Meanwhile, it is downloaded. Let's read others. So in the second step, it says that download the LaTeX 2E proceedings template, which we have done already. Then it says that you have to open the overleaf. So let's open the overleaf. It says the overleaf.com. Well, so the interface is something look like this. If you closely look at the right side of this website, you can find the two buttons. First is register and next is login. If you have a account already, then you can simply log in into your overleaf account. But if you are new here, then you have to register an account here. So as I have an account here, now I have to log in this website. So if I log in, then the interface will look like this. These are my some previous projects. So you have to click in the new project, then upload project. Okay, then this section says that you have to select a zip file. So let's select the zip file. Let's go to the desktop, my YouTube folder and this zip file. Let's open it. Please give some time to upload it. Okay, so after it finished uploading, okay, you will look something like this. This section you have to edit in this section, and the output means the PDF file will appear on the right section. If you change here, like if I, okay, let's edit this contribution title. Well, where it is, okay, so here it is. So contribution title, if I write here Kaji, Amit Hassan. Let's recompile it. Okay, so it shows up that Qazi Amit Hassan as our title. So by following these steps, you can edit your whole research paper. So let's move back into our slide. Okay, so next step says start writing. Well, on the next section, for our writing purposes, you can use some other things like you can use Grammarly application to correct your sentences and grammars. Next, for using drawings and other figures, you can use draw.io. For making tables, you can code them or use tablegenerator.com. If you go in this website, it will show up something like this. Well, here you can select your number of columns, number of rows. Suppose I select let me select these two and write something here, here and here, and let's click on the generate button. Then it will create the latex code of your table. Okay, so let's move back. Okay, and for other queries you can visit the overleaf documentation. For the documentation, you can simply type on Google that overleaf documentation documentations. So here you can find all the examples of maths, tables, images, list, bold or italic words, everything. You can use this as your references. So let's go back. Okay, now the last part for good practices. Well, try to use Overleaf for writing your resumes, lab reports to be fluent. And you can play with different templates in Overleaf. You can find thousands of templates for lab reports or resumes or CVs in Overleaf website. Yeah, you can use them. You know that practice makes them perfect. If you practice more and more on Overleaf, then you will be much more fluent in LaTeX and Overleaf. Okay, so that's all for today's video. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you have any kind of queries, then comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe, and please share it with your friends to help them to write their first research paper. Thank you for staying with me. Stay home, stay safe. See you guys soon.